Yo, what's going on? But a little late for on gaming back in the house. I apologize for the I just had a I literally just opened up this boxing for this Anthony Davis jersey that I ordered in July, but my video got canceled because of a phone call. But anyways, this isn't just an ordinary authentic jersey. This is literally like the ones like 120 billion% that they actually wear on the basketball court. So not like the authentic ones you get where you just have the authentic Lakers or whatever team on there and like no advertisements or whatnot, and like the thing on the back that tells like which teams how many like championships they won. This one does. So the other ones that you would possibly get aren't like 100% authentic. This one is. So if you guys want any like site info for it, I'll gladly share that to you, but I'll show you guys. See, look at that. Look at that. You got the Wish logo, Nike. See, this is what I was talking about. They don't have this on every authentic jersey. These are the ones that they actually have like on the court, so. But whew. Look at that, baby. I'm gonna put it on. It's got like a billion tags on this thing, too. And FYI, it says NBA Store on here, but no, they don't have these ones on the NBA Store, because if they did, I would have had one by now. Alrighty. Did I put it in there? Oh, well, I gotta take my hat off for this. Oh. Look at that, man. Look at that. AD, boy. AD. What it is. Let's get a big look in the mirror. Alright. Look at that. Look at that. I got this July 14th, literally before I was leaving for my vacation in Las Vegas. But they gave me like codes and stuff, like 20% off and stuff, just because they felt sorry. But thank you for watching. If you guys are into basketball, football, baseball, hockey, whatever that jazz, if you want the exact like 100% like what they wear on the field, it may cost you like maybe like $5 or maybe $10 more, but it's definitely worth it because you know it's actually legit. But if you need any info, let me know. Hit me up, you know. But as always, peace.